Slippery elm, soothe digestive discomfort naturally. The discomfort of digestion is a frequent problem that many people face. It doesn't matter if it's a mild case of bloating or severe stomach pain, getting relief is an overwhelming job. Although there are a variety of remedies available, they usually have undesirable adverse negative effects. When this happens, switching to remedies that are natural such as slippery elm can be a change in the game. Slippery elm, scientifically known as Ulmus rubra, is a native tree to North America. It was used throughout the ages in the treatment of Native Americans to treat various illnesses, such as digestive problems. The bark inside of the tree is awash in mucilage. It is a gel-like substance which can act as an extra layer of protection to the digestive tract, which can ease irritation and inflammation. One of the main advantages that comes from slippery elm is its ability to ease symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux disorder, GERD, as well as heartburn. Its gel-like material covers the esophagus and soothes the burning sensation while reducing acid reflux. Slippery elm can also promote more efficient digestion through mucus production within the stomach. It aids in the digestion of food particles as well as helping to prevent the indigestion. Additionally, slippery elm can be beneficial in the treatment of various digestive ailments, including irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, as well as ulcerative colitis, as well as Crohn's disease. It may help to reduce inflammation of the lining of the intestinal tract and relieve symptoms such as stomach pain, diarrhea, and cramps. Slippery elm is also known for its calming effects on the respiratory tract and throat. It is used for centuries to ease sore throats, coughs, and the bronchitis. The mucilage found in slippery elm creates an ointment that protects the throat that reduces irritation as well as alleviating hoarseness and coughing. It is also beneficial to those who suffer from allergies or asthma because it aids reduce inflammation while also improving the health of your respiratory system. Alongside its relaxing qualities, slippery elm has a moderate laxative effect that makes it useful in relieving constipation. If consumed, it may increase the volume of stool and help improve the flow of bowel. It is crucial to remember that people suffering from chronic constipation must consult an experienced medical professional prior to using slippery elm, as the root of the issue needs to be dealt with. One of the great aspects of slippery elm is the fact that it's generally healthy and safe to take. It comes in a variety of types, such as powder and capsules, as well as lozenges, as well as teas. It is recommended to speak with a medical expert prior to beginning any herbal remedy, particularly if you're nursing, pregnant, or are taking medications. If you are using slippery elm, it is advised to adhere to the directions for dosage on the package or in accordance with the instructions of medical professionals. Slippery elm teas and powders are able to be blended with other liquids or water and taken orally. The lozenges may be dissolving gradually in your mouth for relief from breathing and throat issues. It is important to note that slippery elm is not an alternative to medical care, especially for severe digestive issues. It can, however, serve as a beneficial supplement to a comprehensive method of managing minor to moderate discomfort in the digestive tract. Always seek out a medical professional in case you experience chronic or extreme signs. To conclude, slippery elm is a natural remedy that provides relief from stomach discomfort with a non-invasive and efficient method. The soothing qualities of the plant can be beneficial to a variety of digestive disorders and breathing and throat issues. Although it's generally thought to be safe, it's best to consult a doctor prior to including slippery elm to your healthcare regimen. Because of its lengthy usage and possible advantages, slippery elm can be an effective ally to improve digestion health in a natural way.